Welcome to another exciting video on Drift Horizon, where we bring you the latest and most thrilling machines on the road. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 BRABUS Range Rover. This isn't just any luxury SUV, it's a powerhouse wrapped in elegance, with extreme performance and jaw-dropping aesthetics. If you thought the standard Range Rover was impressive, wait until you see what BRABUS has done to take it to an entirely new level. From the moment you lay eyes on the BRABUS Range Rover, you know this is no ordinary SUV. The aggressive stance, the wide-body kit, and the signature BRABUS styling make it an instant head-turner. The front grille is bold and imposing, featuring a redesigned bumper with massive air intakes that not only add to the looks but also improve aerodynamics. The LED lighting is sharper, more defined, and gives off an unmistakable road presence. BRABUS branding is everywhere, from the illuminated badges to the custom carbon fiber details that scream performance. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the massive 24-inch forged wheels, designed to not only enhance the look but also optimize performance. These lightweight wheels are wrapped in high-performance tires that provide exceptional grip and handling. The extended fender flares give the SUV a wider stance, making it look even more aggressive and dominant. BRABUS has also added custom side skirts and aerodynamic elements to improve stability at high speeds. At the rear, things get even more exciting. The quad exhaust system, finished in carbon and titanium, delivers an exhilarating soundtrack that lets everyone know this isn't just a luxury cruiser, it's a beast. The redesigned rear bumper, integrated diffuser, and roof spoiler all work together to enhance both aesthetics and performance. Every inch of the BRABUS Range Rover exudes a perfect balance of sportiness and sophistication. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an interior that defines luxury and exclusivity. BRABUS has completely reimagined the cabin, using the finest materials available. Hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and custom BRABUS badging make this interior feel ultra-premium. The seats are not only more supportive but also feature unique stitching patterns and embossed BRABUS logos, adding to the exclusivity. Technology is another area where BRABUS has taken things to the next level. The infotainment system is enhanced with custom software, offering a more intuitive and responsive user experience. The digital cockpit displays high-performance telemetry data, making it feel more like a supercar than an SUV. Every button, every touchpoint, and every feature inside the BRABUS Range Rover has been refined to perfection, ensuring the driver and passengers experience nothing but the best. Under the hood, BRABUS has unleashed pure power. The stock engine has been significantly upgraded, now producing an astonishing 900 horsepower and 1,200 Newton-meters of torque. This massive power boost propels the SUV from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds, an insane figure for a vehicle of this size. The top speed is electronically limited, but with this much power, it feels like a high-performance sports car disguised as a luxury SUV. BRABUS achieves this performance boost through extensive engine modifications, including upgraded turbochargers, a high-performance exhaust system, and a remapped EQ. The result is a power delivery that is both brutal and smooth, making highway cruising effortless while offering mind-blowing acceleration when needed. The transmission is also tuned to handle the increased power, ensuring seamless gear shifts and optimal performance in all driving conditions. Handling is another area where BRABUS has worked its magic. The adaptive air suspension is recalibrated to provide a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on tight corners, the BRABUS Range Rover remains planted, responsive, and incredibly agile for its size. The advanced all-wheel drive system, combined with performance-tuned differentials, ensures maximum traction and stability, no matter the terrain. Braking power is just as impressive as the acceleration. BRABUS has equipped the Range Rover with high-performance carbon ceramic brakes, providing exceptional stopping power even under extreme conditions. Whether you're bringing this powerhouse to a halt from high speeds or navigating city traffic, the braking system is confidence-inspiring and precise. What sets the BRABUS Range Rover apart is its ability to blend extreme performance with everyday usability. Despite its monstrous power, it remains a comfortable and refined SUV that can be driven daily. The ride quality is smooth when needed, and the advanced soundproofing ensures a quiet and serene cabin experience. But with the press of a button, the exhaust roars to life, and the beast within is unleashed, ready to dominate the roads. BRABUS has also focused on exclusivity, making this a rare and highly desirable machine. Each BRABUS Range Rover is built to order, allowing customers to personalize their vehicle down to the finest details. From unique paint finishes to bespoke interior configurations, BRABUS ensures that every owner gets a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Owning a BRABUS-tuned vehicle isn't just about having a high-performance machine, it's about making a statement. It represents the pinnacle of luxury, performance, and exclusivity, a vehicle that stands out in any setting. Whether you're arriving at a red carpet event or tearing down an open highway, the BRABUS Range Rover commands attention and respect. The driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. The moment you press the accelerator, you feel the immense power surge forward with relentless force. The steering is sharp, the suspension adapts instantly, and the exhaust note fills the cabin with a symphony of performance. It's an experience that combines the thrill of a supercar with the comfort and prestige of a luxury SUV. For those who demand the best of both worlds, in compromising performance and opulent luxury, the 2025 BRABUS Range Rover is the ultimate choice. It redefines what an SUV can be, pushing boundaries and setting new standards. BRABUS has taken an already exceptional vehicle and transformed it into something truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 BRABUS Range Rover, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Drift Horizon for more exclusive automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this beast and if you'd take it over other high-performance SUVs. Stay tuned for more thrilling content, and we'll see you in the next video.